Sometimes help is not an option. It's a necessity for some, especially those who need full-time respiratory care or rehabilitation. And as diseases such as Alzheimer's or dementia set in, life can become difficult for not only a senior, but for loved ones as well. Finding the right quality care can be difficult. We visited North Central Healthcare to talk about raising the bar on the quality of life for seniors in these situations.
I think families, when they look at a nursing home, they think it's a very bad place. You know, my life ends when I get there, and that when their loved one is still living with them, they really take on the role of the caregiver, and they take themselves out of maybe that position as the wife, and they take over as being a caregiver. I think a lot of care for many, many years has been about fitting people into a mold and saying, this is when I think you should eat, this is when I think you should go to the bathroom, and this is when I think you should go to sleep. Well, for a farmer, you're not going to get that person to stay in bed until 9 o'clock in the morning and then tell them to eat. They're used to being up at 4 a.m. That's what their whole life has always encompassed. And we need to change the way that we care for them and make it what's right for them. North Central Healthcare has 3 specialized programs in Mount View Care Center. First is Northwinds Vent Community and Short-Term Rehabilitation. Second is our Long-Term Care Program. And third is our Dementia Care Community, which is called Legacies by the Lake.
At Mount View Care Center, we specialized in person-centered care. We take a comprehensive approach to the person and their needs while they live here. We focus on the medical needs, but we also focus on their personal needs. We strive to make our community a true family. And the residents just thrive because we focus on each individual and we take a whole comprehensive approach to all of their needs while they are here.
We offer our residents pretty much the whole package. We have recreational therapy, which really is based on their likes and dislikes. We also have occupational, physical, and speech therapy, which is really focused on getting the resident to their highest functionality. We have other really great services, including our pool that a lot of the residents use. Family members can use it. We also have massage therapy, so that relaxation, the multisensory environments for those residents needing a little extra care.
Northwinds Vent Community is a unit in Mount View Care Center, and we focus on providing the care for ventilator-dependent residents. We are one of the 4 ventilator facilities in state of Wisconsin, and we have had excellent success in being able to liberate a resident from the ventilator dependence.
Legacies by the Lake is a program, and our philosophy behind our care is that everyone, no matter if they have a disease or not, has a legacy to fulfill. So even if you have dementia, you still have a legacy. You still very much need to fulfill that. And we here, being able to take care of them, it's our privilege to help them carry out that legacy. Mount View Care Center is nationally recognized as one of the best nursing homes in the country. We also have received the 5-star rating from CMS, which is the Center for Medicare and Medicaid. The measure of quality here isn't just about our ratings and the number of stars that we have. It's about the way that people feel when they walk in the door. It's about the way a family looks and sees their loved one acting and behaving and interacting with people. It's about, you know, it's about that feeling you get when you walk in the door, the feeling you get when you visit your loved one and you can sit at ease knowing that they're well cared for and that they like being in the place that they are.
As you can see, quality of care is truly important to you and your loved ones, and North Central Healthcare is there to provide you with peace of mind. Give them a call to set up a tour.